In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Kyogre in Cobbleverse. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you have the Hoenn region unlocked on Cobbleverse. So that means you need to have defeated the Kanto region, including Champion Blue, and the Johto region, including Champion Lance. So of course, this does require some grinding. Now, what you guys are able to do, if you don't want to do all that, you could also use commands that will effectively do the same thing. So you're able to type in the chat /function, followed by Cobbleverse, then you're able to go ahead and type in blue_champion defeated, and that is going to beat the Kanto region for you and unlock the Johto region. Once you have the Johto region unlocked, you now need to type in the same /function Cobbleverse command, but instead you want to type in Lance_champion defeated, and that is going to beat the Johto region for you and hence unlock the Hoenn region, and you're able to get all the Hoenn crafting recipes, all the Hoenn items and structures. Alright, now that you have the Hoenn region unlocked, what we need to do is we need to craft this item called the Hoenn cartography table. And on top of that, you are also going to need an empty map, which we're going to be using in order to generate a map that will take us straight to where Kyogre is. You're also going to need these two items, the Kyogre radar and the ocean core. So you're able to use the just enough items mod to look at the crafting recipes. So let me show you the crafting recipe for the ocean core. Here it is. It is composed of water gems and a heart of the sea in the middle. As for the Kyogre radar, these are the materials. You're going to need prismarine crystals, a Poke radar, a water gem, and a heart of the sea. And for the Poke radar itself, this is the crafting recipe. So you're going to need some redstone dust. You're also going to need a iron ingot and a locator chip, just like this. All right, now that you have these items, we can open up the Hoenn cartography table. You want to place your empty map right here, then your Kyogre radar right over here. And that is going to begin generating you a map that will take you directly to where Kyogre is. So here it is, the Kyogre map. We're able to go ahead and take it out. And here's how it does look like. It's going to let you know exactly where it is. And it's also going to let you know which direction is north. So from there, you're able to go ahead and follow it and have some fun. Now, if you do have commands turned on, you could also use a structure to find it as well. So it is /locate followed by structure. Then type in Cobbleverse. Then you want to type in legendary, then you want to do / followed by Kyogre, then press on enter. Then it's going to let you know where he is actually going to spawn in. So as you're able to tell, it is pretty far away, 11,000 blocks away. So again, finding this is definitely going to be a little bit of a grind, which is why I highly suggest making the map instead of just like wandering aimlessly in the ocean. Okay, so here's how the structure is going to look like. So it is going to spawn underwater. Then you want to make your way inside and be sure to have your ocean core on standby. You want to go through here. Then it is going to take you to a place that looks like this. You're going to see this altar and you want to right click using your ocean core. And that is going to spawn in Kyogre right over there. And you're able to go ahead and begin fighting him. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.